Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you completely exhausted by all the endless online noise promising you're gonna get rich quick? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Welcome to the explainer that completely bypasses the fake gurus and their ridiculous overnight promises. Instead, we're diving into a realistic, actionable roadmap for building genuine, sustainable online income streams. So whether you're a beginner, a busy student, or a working professional, we're gonna break down exactly how you can start making the internet work for you.
But first, I have to ask a really important question. Is one income source actually enough anymore? Think about it. There's the student trying to pay off mountains of loans, or the corporate professional feeling that really tight end-of-month financial squeeze. Honestly, relying on a single salary today, it's kind of a huge risk. Building an extra stream of income isn't just a fun luxury anymore. For a lot of us, it is becoming an absolute necessity for true financial security.
So, here is our roadmap for today. First, the quick money myth. 2, freelancing for beginners. 3, content creation and affiliates. 4, selling digital products. And 5, time management and investing.
Let's jump right into part 1, the quick money myth and shifting from shortcuts to skills.
Everyone wants that left side, right? Praying for viral success or immediate, overnight passive income. But here is a serious reality check. The vast majority of those schemes fail within months. Poof, gone. True online wealth actually comes from the right side. It comes from solving real problems, applying consistent effort, and building valuable skills over time. So instead of asking, how do I make money fast, the question you literally need to be asking yourself is, what skill can I learn that people are actually willing to pay for?
Imagine this timeline. If you spend your first month just putting your head down and learning a high-value skill, say video editing, graphic design, or coding, and then spend month 3 building a solid portfolio of practice work, by month 6, you are in a prime position to earn long-term stable income from actual clients. Compare that rock-solid foundation to someone who spends those exact same 6 months chaotically jumping from one easy money trick to another. The internet today heavily rewards actual skills over fancy degrees, and this 6-month approach is exactly how you capitalize on that.
Moving on to part 2, freelancing for beginners. How to start earning with accessible skills.
Freelancing basically just means using your skills to help someone online and getting paid for it. And no, you absolutely do not need an advanced degree to begin. People are earning active income every single day through highly accessible skills. We're talking about basic Canva presentations, editing short-form videos, recording voiceovers, or even just organizing chaotic Excel sheets for small businesses. If you're a decent communicator, you could easily manage social media pages. The barrier to entry here is so much lower than you probably think.
And when you're ready to put those skills out there, these are the platforms that connect you with global clients. Fiverr is fantastic for gig-based services, where clients literally come to you for specific tasks. Upwork is super professional and great for landing long-term client contracts. And here is a little pro tip. Contra is a modern network that is actually commission-free, making it hugely popular for independent workers right now. Look, getting that first client might feel a little slow, but once you get your first few 5-star reviews, the momentum builds incredibly fast. By the way, if you want a deeper dive into these platforms and how to land that crucial first client, drop a comment below saying part 2, and I'll create a full explainer just on that.
Number 3, content creation and affiliates, scaling your income and audience. Now, this is where it gets super exciting. Content creation is one of the very few things in the world where a single effort truly compounds over time. It's like magic. On day 1, you post an educational tutorial. By month 3, your consistency has built steady, reliable traffic to your channel. But here's the kicker. By year 1, that original video you made way back on day 1, it's still sitting there, acting like a digital asset, continuing to generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and views while you literally sleep. The biggest challenge, honestly, is consistency. Most people simply quit before they ever let their content reach this incredible compounding phase. So, while you're building that audience, how do you monetize it right away without creating your own physical product? The answer is affiliate marketing. Basically, it just means promoting someone else's product or service, a book, a gadget, a cool new AI tool, using a unique referral link. Whenever someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It is an incredibly powerful, genuine way creators are generating semi-passive income right now.
You know when you watch your favorite creator and they link their entire camera setup in the description? Yep, that's Amazon Associates in action. And you can easily start grabbing those affiliate links today. Amazon Associates is brilliant for everyday physical products. Digistore24 and ClickBank are massive hubs for digital products and courses.
Impact connects you with major global brands. Or honestly, you can often just search for your favorite software's direct brand affiliate program. Creators heavily use these links in their descriptions, Instagram bios, and newsletters to monetize the trust they've built with their audience.
Part 4. Selling digital products. Create once, sell infinitely.
Digital products are pure leverage, guys. You could build Excel dashboards for tracking expenses, design really clean resume templates, or curate highly effective AI prompt lists. In fact, some creators have made thousands of dollars just by designing a beautifully effective Notion study planner. You design it one single time, but thousands of people can buy and download it without any extra fulfillment work from you. A very simple organizational skill can become a serious source of income if it solves a real headache for people.
And hosting this stuff, it has literally never been easier. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip allow you to upload your templates in minutes and start sharing the purchase link directly to your social media. Etsy is practically a search engine dedicated just to printables and templates. The Notion Marketplace is perfect if you build specific workspace tools, and Shopify is waiting for you when you're ready to scale into a full-blown brand. It is an amazing, rapid-fire way to turn your personal organizational systems into a highly scalable asset.
Finally, Part 5. Time management and investing. Balancing life and growing wealth.
Okay, for the working professionals out there thinking, I work full-time, I literally do not have the time for this. Let me assure you, you do not need 5 extra hours a day to make this work. Even just 1 to 2 focused hours consistently, maybe freelancing on a Tuesday night or creating content on a Saturday morning, compounds into something deeply meaningful over time. The goal initially isn't to replace your salary overnight. The goal is to slowly build an extra income stream, develop new skills, and create a safety net so you aren't completely dependent on a single source of income. But here's the catch. Making the money is only half the battle. If you earn well from your side hustles but just spend everything, you are still going to feel financially stressed out. You have to make your money work for you. Beginners can start super simple with Step 1, systematic investment plans, mutual funds, fixed deposits, or broad index funds. You don't need a huge amount of capital. Even small amounts invested consistently will grow big time because of compounding. Then, as you learn more, you step up to Step 2, exploring individual stocks, ETFs, gold, or even real estate. That is when your money literally starts earning its own money. I really want to leave you with this one thought. The best investment you can absolutely make right now is investing in yourself. Genuine online income isn't some magic shortcut. It's a byproduct of valuable skills. Once you take the time to build those skills, you eventually stop depending entirely on trading your precious time for money. And slowly but surely, you start building real, lasting freedom. So the entire roadmap is laid out right in front of you. The only question left is, are you going to spend your next weekend binge watching content? Or are you going to start building your very first digital asset? Let me know which of these topics, freelancing, personal finance, AI tools, or content creation, you want us to tackle first in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you in the next explainer.